Hello, my name is Danny, and I am a longtime customer of Talmadge Harper, and I want to talk about how wonderful his products are. I have been listening to Talmadge's audios since 2015. I'm not sure how I came across his website, but when I did, it was absolutely time. The first audios that I purchased were, I think it was Midas Touch and Well Vibration. At the time, I was not working, and I listened to those audios many times throughout the day for many weeks. And I would say probably about 2 months later, I was able to secure employment. And from then on, it's just been a slow upward trajectory of leveling up. Since I began listening to the audios, I have changed locations. I actually moved out of state into a totally new state. I got the courage to go outside of my comfort zone and create an entirely new life for myself where I am thriving. I have purchased the Pheromones MP3, and for the ladies, be prepared to get a lot of attention from men. Virtually, in person, long distance, it doesn't matter. They come from all over the place. The pheromones are so strong. Just be ready, because you are going to get the attention. And then from then on, it's up to you to decide how you want to proceed from there. But the pheromones MP3, very, very powerful. This past weekend, I was using super immunity because I felt a little bit of a sickness coming on. I started coughing a few days ago, and I felt body aches coming on. And so I put on the super immunity boost MP3 on Saturday night, and Sunday morning I woke up and I actually completely forgot that I was sick until later on in the day. The MP3s are extremely powerful. Some of them take a little bit of time to work. Like if you have any blockages that need to be worked out, if you have any traumatic experiences that are maybe lodged deep in your subconscious that you haven't dealt with and healed, you will at first start to experience some memory recall, things that you haven't thought about, negative feelings, but that's okay, because Talmadge says that is part of the process. And after you clear out all those blockages, the healing is going to start. So, like I said, I've been a customer of Talmadge's for years. I have quite the library of Harper Healing audios, and he just released a new product, and I'm so excited to try it because I already know that the results are going to be absolutely explosive, because I've already laid the groundwork over the past few years, especially the trifecta of power, Unleash Your Unlimited Power, and I think the other one is Self-Love. I can't remember, but it's 3 audios that work in conjunction with each other to help you to feel your personal confidence, to then lay the groundwork for healing to take place and for great change to take place in your life. So if you have any doubt in your mind about whether these audios work, I can tell you, as a longtime customer of Talmadge Harper, they absolutely do work. You will not regret it. Unless you're not ready for change, which, if you're a customer of Talmadge, then obviously you are ready to make some changes and to get some healing. So I highly recommend Harper Healing audios. And if you're ready for a life change, go ahead and make the investment. You won't be sorry. Thank you.